It is a beautiful day outside. It is January 4th. It is 65 degrees. So I'm going to go see the pond. I'll probably go do a little bit of fishing. See if I can't catch my first fish of the 2023. About to say 2022 because I'm used to saying it. But I'm going to go see if I do that. So let's see what I got in the bag. Taking 2 rods. I'm taking my Pflueger Perfection on a medium light Cunning rod with a wacky rig, and then I got my mock smash with a swim bait. And then I just got my hook box and 2 micro crankbaits and some Yamamotos and some Rage Swimmers and hair and my pliers. That's all I have. So let's go see if we can't catch anything. Quick disclaimer before we get into the video, I am officially a pro staff member of Empire Rods. I don't yet have a discount code, but they make some really high quality, really good fishing rods. I'll leave their link to the website down below, and I will have a code soon posted so you can get a discount. But go check them out. Go order your rod. They're really nice, really high quality. All right, let's get into the video. Let's go get them. Be like the white girls. Slay! That's how I can describe it. What? Not sure why that's so hard to open now. Back in nails kind of dirty. I should have brought my fly rod. Let me know. Give me a like if you want to see me fly fish in the pond. I have these cricket flies that would do fantastic in here, so let me know if you want to see that and I'll make it happen. It's a medium light with a Pflueger Perfection reel on it. I got the Googan boots going on. I need to clean them because they're dirty as heck. I don't know what pound test is on here either, so we'll figure that out sooner or later. Look, there's still something. Still ice right here. It's because it's where the shade comes down. I don't understand how people hold their rod down here. I don't get that. I hold mine up here. Oh shoot. Rich swimmer. Jig head's all big for it, but a white jig head. Oh, it feels nice to hold the smash again. I haven't held the smash in a while. Oh, that feels fantastic. Not sure what the heck that was, but it was there. Oh, I spooked something. I scared something. I threw it right on his head. Oh my gosh, it had it. No. I threw this thing straight on its head, dude. Oh my word. And he had it too. No, dang it. Oh my word. Doesn't count as a fish, does it? I got my heart rate spiked right there because I thought I had a fish. I got excited. Hey. Should have brought a lipless or something. He was carrying it. He was running off with it, dude. No way. No way. He was running off with it. He just ran to the left. I should whack that tree. Come on, that's wrapped. Oh. Hey. Thanks, I want my drag solution. It's wrapped. It ain't. I still have owned backcasters for 2 years and I still suck at remembering what way drag goes. To tighten and loosen. No more. I know 17-pound monos. This is strong. Daggum. Well, it broke. Well, that's where the line broke, right there. Whew. And my reel's jacked up. We're going to throw the micro crank, but we're not going to fully like undo this because it's a waste of an O-ring. So I'm going to cut it and I'm going to put it in my box. These micro crankbaits that I have, I bought 6 of them because they're made by Cream and they were $1.50. And I also bought one Yo-Zuri Snap Bean, which is $10. It's really $9.95, but I paid $10 for it at Bass Pro. So I saw these at Bass Pro in the crappie section. If you go find the micro crankbaits, these will be there. They're in like the spinners. It's not in the trout, it's in the crappie. And then at Walmart, there I found it in the panfish section, that little panfish section in Walmart. Right toward the beginning of the fishing section. So we're gonna see how it does. I just want to cover water. Oh my word. Okay, it's not bad. You just have to cast it out far and keep your rod tip down. It's not bad. This is not bad at all. Can't cast very far because it's a medium light. I don't have my ultralight because I did not spool it up. A new 4-pound line. I had mono on it before. I'm probably gonna get some fluoro, but this thing does not sink. Or it sink like. It goes like 6 inches under the water at most. It does not go down very far. But micro crankbaits don't have giant bills on them to go 20 foot under the water. I should have brought a square bill down here. I'll just cover water right here. It is getting kind of chilly. The sun is blocked by the clouds. And these, so do the Yo-Zuri snap beans. Some turkeys. That's lovely. They only have one hook on them. I only have one treble on the back. So you don't have to worry about your hooks getting caught. I haven't, I don't know if it will get caught in my line. I don't think it's that big. Don't get caught in that tree, thank you. I mean, there's like, I think 5 different colors. If I understand correctly. Yeah, but still, for the price I paid for this junk, it's pretty good. Oh crap. I do not want to get caught on that, thank you. But yeah, that will wrap it up for today. Sadly, we didn't catch anything, but it's January 4th. These fish are dormant. I'll have to bring, I think next time I come, I'm going to throw a couple lipless cranks. If y'all want to see me fly fish, I'll do that. I can do all sorts of stuff if y'all want me to. Just let me know what you want to see me do. And please like the video and subscribe if you're new. There's a bird. Well, catch you in the next one. I'll see you.